Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's plan with me. If you are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Jerlyn and I do planner videos featuring the Hobonichi Cousin and Hobonichi Weeks. And sometimes you'll see like budget videos and hauls. So today we are going to be in our Hobonichi Cousin, as you guys can see here. This is the weekly vertical layout here, and I have decided to do something different this week and use a sticker kit from Little Bloom Papery. I believe this kit is still available on her shop actually, so check it out if you're interested. Now again, if you are new, I use my Hobonichi Cousin weekly section as a memory keeper. So I memory plan this, which means I am gonna go back and put in what I did throughout the week so I can look back, down the line and see what happened that week. So this is the week of January 15th to the 21st. And yeah, so this is the sticker kit right here. This is actually a journaling kit, I think. And this kit is called Rosalie. And I just really love the contrast of the lighter pastel colors with the darker florals. And we have pinks, purples, and greens in here. And I just think it's gorgeous. So I also have this add-on here, the post-it note add-on. So we have that. I'm going to try to remember to pull these in. I've been so bad at pulling in boxes in my previous spreads. So there's that. And then I actually accidentally ordered these florals in transparent. So you guys can see this is on white premium matte paper. And then these florals are supposed to match, and I ordered them on transparent paper. So the coloring is slightly off, but I don't think we'll be able to tell too much. So hopefully it'll still be okay. So these two sheets are just some extra florals. This is the medium size, this is the larger size. And yeah, hopefully we're going to be okay. And I think this is gonna turn out really pretty. So I've never done a spread like this using a floral kit in the Hobonichi Cousin. If you guys wanna see my previous weeks, it's pretty just like plain with washi tape and a little bit more whimsical with characters. And here we're gonna try to be a little bit more floral. All right, let's get into laying down the base. I'm just taking some of the corner pieces here and putting them down. If you see me put down and pick up stickers often, it's because I'm still trying to find my flow when it comes to using this floral kit in the Hobonichi Cousin, but I overall really like how it turned out. So I'm taking a bunch of the transparent floral deco and I'm putting it all across the top of the date covers because I want to use the Monday to Sunday scripts that are in the kit. So I put those underneath the floral deco, which I think looks really pretty. And then I'm just going to start placing a bunch of floral deco all within the planner. And in the sidebar, I'm putting this Polaroid sticker, which is super cute. And then I'm going to add my January script on top of that. But I placed deco throughout the planner just to take up a little bit of space, pull in that deco so I can kind of work around it when I'm putting down my plans. And I really like how the florals peek through behind some of the stickers. So I really like how that turned out. So I'm just going to jump into the plans. So on Monday, I did go to Pilates. I marked that with a Pilates sticker. I don't know where that girl is from, but I use that throughout the week to mark Pilates. So I like to do it the same way throughout the whole week if I can. On Monday, I also went grocery shopping. That grocery bag is from the GP Studio and the script is from Piper Paper Company, I think. And then after that, I worked pretty much all day. And that desk sticker is also from GP Studio. And then it started snowing. And when it started snowing, it just snowed all day into the night. So that little girl with the earmuffs that I'm going to put down is from the Prairie Planner. And since it was snowing all day, I stayed in and I decided to film. And I marked that with a little camera. I think that is from Planning Roses. And then that night we did get some takeout. I used a little squiggle box for the takeout, and the takeout bag is from, I think, Templove's Crafts. Okay, I'm moving on to Tuesday. So since it snowed all day on Monday, Tuesday became a true snow day. When I say that, I mean schools were closed, roads were just terrible. So that little girl with the winter hat is from Prairie Planner. And then I marked that Pilates was canceled and I was super upset. So that little upset girl is also from Prairie Planner. I will link her down below. And so I took that entire day to film some more for this channel and my other channel. And the little arrow is from thecoffeemonsterzco. Then I was really in my feelings that day for some reason. I can't remember why, but the girl with the pillow, just her face in the pillow is from Whimsy. And the In My Feelings script is from OK Plans. And then I took this really big box that was in the kit and I put that at the bottom to mark all of the Happy Mail that I received. I got Happy Mail from the Coffee Monsters Co. and the Prairie Planner. And that mailbox sticker is from Whimsy. Okay, moving on to Wednesday, it was super cold from all of the snow. That little girl in the sweater is from Prairie Planner. I went to Pilates, and then I got coffee and breakfast at Tim Hortons with my friend Natalie. She ended up coming over and we did a work day at my house. So I marked that with a really pretty floral box. And I pretty much edited all day. I had a video to submit, so I wanted to get that all done. So I put a floral piece down with a Whimsy girl on top, and it says edit, which was perfect. And then my friend Natalie and I went to Target. I used one of those Post-it note stickers and a Target bag from Scribble Prince Co. And then my boyfriend and I had Chick-fil-A for dinner that night. Moving on to Thursday, I walk the pups in the morning. I actually do this every morning. I just only mark it sometimes. The paw print is from Planner Kate's and the script is from OK Plans. I went to Pilates again right after walking the dogs. And then after Pilates, I went to the post office. So I use the mailbox girl from Whimsy again, and I did a PO drop. And I love these Post-it notes. It looks so cute layered, so I'm really into these boxes. And then for the rest of the day, I worked. So that laptop is from Planner Kate, and the arrow is again from the Coffee Monsters Co. That night, Thursday night, my boyfriend and I had a date night and we went to the Flyers game. So we went to a hockey game and the Flyers won, which was super fun. And then afterwards we had to run around to a bunch of stores because it was going to snow again on Friday. And we were not prepared, y'all. We didn't have shovels. We didn't have salt. So everything was freezing over from, all the snow earlier in the week. So that was kind of crazy. So moving on to Friday, I'm falling behind. My boyfriend had a doctor's appointment, so we stopped by Dunkin' Donuts for coffee, took him to his doctor's appointment, and I marked that with a stethoscope from the Prairie Planner. And then I just marked that it snowed all day with a little Prairie Planner girl. And when I say all day, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., it just snowed, which was beautiful. So we took the dogs on a nice little snowy walk, which they loved. And then I was so tired, so I took a nap and marked that with a Whimsy girl. And then my boyfriend and I just watched TV for the rest of the night. On Saturday, we ended up sleeping in. That little panda sticker is from the Little Bloom Paperie, I think. Same shop as this kit. And then I did go to Pilates because it was canceled so many times this week. So, and then I ended up walking the dogs again with my boyfriend. And after that, my family and I decided to get lunch. So I marked that with one of the Post-it notes and a little heart. I love seeing my family, my niece, my mom, and my brother. So any chance I can get them to meet me, I'll do it. Also, Saturday, there was the Coffee Monsters Co. sale. I can't talk today. So I marked that with a little planner and a floral sticker underneath. And then the rest of the day, my boyfriend and I just watched American Nightmare. It's this new documentary series. It's only 3 episodes, but we binged it and it was good. Terrifying, but good. And then my boyfriend and I just cuddled for the rest of the night. And that little bed is from Scribble Prince Co. Okay, so Sunday, my boyfriend and I went to the diner. We like to do diners on Sundays just for a little, treat. And then we went to Lowe's. We ran some errands. We went to Joann's, Target, DSW. We kind of just ran around. and I'm marking that with a bunch of floral pieces and icons. And then when we got home, I did some planning. So I marked planning time with a Beneva Creations girl. I really love that sticker. I love Beneva Creations and their characters. So check them out for sure. And then later in the day, my boyfriend and I played mahjong, which is Chinese dominoes. We got some takeout food, which was from this Thai restaurant that we love. And then we had this whole washer fiasco. Our washer was leaking, and then it wasn't spinning, and it was a whole thing. So we'll figure that out another time, hopefully. But that was pretty much it for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, so that is pretty much our entire week right here for January 15th to the 21st. The sidebar, I don't really know what to put there. I could put a this week. You know what? Should we just do it? I do have these scripts from, I think, Little Bloom Paper 8. Y'all, it's a mess. Yes, we have this week script. So we can take, we don't have many boxes. Oh, here. Let's use this and put in this week. And maybe I'll fill that in later with something that happened. I can put like some of the dots down, maybe some, you know, highlights of what happened. I don't know. I'll just put 2 dots down to maybe add a little bit on the sidebar. So that is it for this entire week. I kind of like it, you guys. I think it's different. I like the floral. I like the purples. And yeah, I'm really not mad at it. I feel like my spreads always look so similar though. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like maybe there's just too many characters. Maybe that's why. Maybe I should go simplistic. I don't know. I really like it, but it does look kind of crazy, right? Does it look too overwhelming? I don't know. I go back and forth because I do like this style of planning, and then sometimes I'm like, it looks too much. But regardless, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Here are the leftovers, which I am going to keep and use in my Hobonichi weeks. So there's that page. That page, we used a lot of those, but we still have so many pieces here. The florals, we have a ton of, and then we still have these. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!